Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Wealthy Brains. Today we're going to be talking about the success of the Clubhouse platform. Have you heard of people talking about the Clubhouse app? Wondering why people are obsessed with the social platform and what it could mean for you? In this video, I'll tell you and explain what Clubhouse is and why it might become a breakout social media platform. Over the last year, social media users, some frustrated with the likes of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, have been exploring newer platforms. This was evident from the sudden surge in popularity of Mastodon, an India-based coup which have features similar to Twitter, and Signal, which positions itself as an alternative to WhatsApp. And by now, you would have also heard of Clubhouse, the latest social networking sensation that has forced Facebook and Twitter to plan competing applications. Within 10 months of its launch, the San Francisco-based app has millions of registered users, and the number continues to swell, helping its valuation soar swiftly to $1 billion. And this may be just the initial steps for the potential social media giant, which has so far restricted access to limited invitations by existing users. With several celebrities, including the world's richest man, Elon Musk, using it, the app is so much in demand that eBay is selling invitations for $89. The app is a hit despite some concerns about online harassment, misinformation, and privacy issues on the platform. Yet, users will tell you the platform feels lively, enables discussion on a wide range of topics while giving you the control of who can jump into the conversation. What is Clubhouse? Developed by Alpha Exploration Co., Clubhouse describes itself as an invitation-only audio chat social media app. It was co-founded by Silicon Valley entrepreneur Paul Davison and former Google employee Rohan Seth. It was launched in April of 2020, just as the coronavirus pandemic spread across the world. With people working and studying from home, the application quickly became popular. By May 2020, it had managed to get a $12 million Series A investment from venture firm Andreessen Horowitz. There was no stopping after that. The app had 6 lakh registered users by December 2020. But there are two caveats. For now, it's only available on Apple devices running iOS, and you'll need an invite from an existing user to get in. However, in January, the company said it'll begin working on an Android app soon. The invite-only part may also be done away with as the platform looks to expand, which would open the doors for much bigger valuations. How does it work? Like Twitter, Facebook, or most other social networking platforms, users can create a profile on Clubhouse. The profile page shows the people you follow and those follow you. It will also list virtual chat rooms you are a part of. The app prompts scheduled and live chats you could be interested in, using an algorithm. Only the speakers hosting the chat can talk, unless you raise your hand to contribute and the host accepts your request to join the audio chat. Think of it as a town hall meeting. The host and the speakers are discussing a topic on the stage. You are only an audience member who would be allowed to participate at the host's discretion. Nonetheless, users have said that it is more live, social, and enables two-way communication, unlike other platforms or podcasts. Rise and shine. Clubhouse's registered user base jumped to 60 lakh in February from 6 lakh in December last year after multiple moments under the limelight. In January, it started spreading like wildfire when billionaire Elon Musk was interviewed on The Good Time show. With a live one-on-one chat limit of 5,000 people getting breached, some individuals reportedly created secondary listening rooms on Clubhouse as well as other platforms such as YouTube. Few days later, Musk tweeted that he had agreed for a Clubhouse chat with American rapper and record producer Kanye West. He also invited the Russian president, Vladimir Putin, for a conversation on the platform. The Kremlin described his proposal as very interesting, but added that they would need to understand what it meant. The app's popularity was boosted when other celebrities and prominent personalities such as Drake, Oprah Winfrey, Ai Weiwei, Lindsay Lohan, and Roger Stone and Facebook co-founder Mark Zuckerberg joined the bandwagon. The demand for joining invitations is so high that it has been listed on eBay for $89. This growth did not go unnoticed among investors. Clubhouse raised $100 million in January at a valuation of $1 billion, according to PitchBook. Clubhouse's rise was not confined to the United States. The platform became a hit in Japan and started picking up traffic in China. Some Chinese users joined others from Taiwan and the Special Administrative Region of Hong Kong, among other places, to discuss politics. The New York Times quoted one such conversation. A Chinese man said he didn't know if he should believe the widespread reports of the concentration camps for Muslims in the China's Xinjiang region. A Uyghur woman calmly explained that she was certain of the camp's existence as her relatives were among those interned. A Taiwanese man urged understanding on all sides of it. Another from Hong Kong praised the Uyghur woman for her courage to come forward. Such a dialogue between common individuals from the mainland China, Taiwan, and Hong Kong would not have been possible because of the Great Firewall internet censorship mechanism. The Chinese authorities quickly moved to ban the app, which was not censored at that time. Thailand also warned Clubhouse users on February 17th to not break the law after the app emerged as a platform for debates about the monarchy. Thai digital minister Puripong Punakanta said authorities were monitoring Clubhouse users and claimed that political groups on the app were spreading distorting information and potentially violating the country's strict lèse-majesté laws. Many Thais, especially those protesting against the royal family, started joining Clubhouse after a prominent Japan-based critic of the Thai palace, Pavin Chachavalapongpun, recently started discussing the issues related to the monarchy on the platform. Fame and mess. But the application has also been criticized for creating shadow profiles of people who have never used it before, but merely in the registered user's contact list. It has also been criticized for recording conversations in private rooms. The Stanford Internet Observatory said it had confirmed that Chinese technology firm Agora Inc. supplied back-end infrastructure to Clubhouse, and that Agora would likely have access to users' raw audio. The research group said it observed room metadata relate to servers it believed were hosted in the People's Republic of China and audio to servers managed by Chinese entities. However, it said that it believed that Chinese government wouldn't be able to access the data if the audio was stored in the United States. Clubhouse responded to these concerns, saying it was reviewing these data protection practices. It added that while it had opted not to make the app available in China, some people had found a workaround to download the app, which meant the conversations they were a part of could be transmitted via Chinese servers. What next? Competition. With its business booming, Clubhouse is hoping to expand and enable more users to join the platform. But its path is not going to be easy. Facebook, Twitter, and entrepreneur Mark Cuban have said that they are already working on competing apps separately. According to The Verge, Cuban is planning to launch Fireside, a next-gen podcast platform along with Fallon Fatimi. The platform will also have a live conversation feature similar to Clubhouse. The app is hoping to go live for the public this year. In December of 2020, Twitter had announced that it has started testing the Spaces feature. It is a voice-based chat room. From what has been reported so far, it looks like any Twitter user will be able to join the chat room. But the user's entry will have to be approved by the person who created the chat room, a bit similar to Clubhouse. According to a report by the New York Times, Zuckerberg's Facebook is in the early stages of developing a competing product. The company has a history of cloning often successfully products from rivals. In 2016, Facebook owned Instagram, replicated one rival Snapchat's key stories feature. In 2020, Insta, as it is popularly known as, unveiled Reels, a short video feature similar to the offering by TikTok. The Menlo Park-based company had also launched teleconferencing service Messenger Rooms following Zoom's success during the pandemic. Despite its initial success, the Clubhouse is set to face intense competition from tech giants with an already large user base. Only time will tell what future holds for Clubhouse. This is it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, and if you are new, then do not forget to subscribe. See you till the next video, and thank you for watching.